Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My work experience is 3 years in sales and 4 years in waitress, cashier all around.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on that job?
I'm responsible in taking care of order and to assist the customer that
Okay.
it will be accommodate to the restaurant.
Okay. And how long did you work with them?
4 years
And why you decided not to continue your contract?
because I have my sister told me that I can go to abroad and work here.
Okay. And how much salary are you looking for?
2000 and up.
Okay. And what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Babysitting.
What type of food can you cook?
Um, Filipino food like
Okay.
nilaga, sinigang.
Okay. In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
If it's always crying and high temper, like 38 temperature, like
What is
that,
your first action when a baby cries out loud?
I will get the baby and touch them and I will look for her diaper or if she's hungry. So that's what I can do.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies, listening music,
What is your favorite song?
Tagalog, Filipino, love song.
Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
I took for 10 years.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
I'm kind, I'm responsible, hardworking, and I hope so that you're kind also to me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.